In this example, I'm going to cover a very simple copybook. Now, a copybook is just a schema for the data that's coming in. And so up here at the top, you can see here that this first column is a comment, and a comment is started with an asterisk in column 6. It is column dependent, so your O1, which is your highest level, will start in column 7. And so as you basically put in O1 here, and then this will be the name of the record definition. And then underneath that, you usually see O5s and 10s, 15s. There's just different levels. This could be an O2, O3, doesn't really matter, but typically you'll see an O5 as the next level. And so this ML key is just a name for a group of data. And then since it has the 10s under it, these are part of the O5. And so the ML key type, the key rest, and key L name are all part of ML key. And in the actual programs, you can refer to ML key, which would include all of this, all these columns here, or you can refer to each one of these independently. And then over here to the right is the definition for each column or each field type. Pick is just it's called a picture clause. That's just how you define it. And then you have different types of data types. So an X means it's alphanumeric. And then if there's something in parentheses, that's the number of alphanumeric characters. So here a pick X1 means that this ML key type is basically one character. And then over here all the way to the right, you can really just ignore this. Anything after column 72 is ignored. And so here if we go to ML key rest for batch, you notice there's 15 levels under here. And again, this could be 11, 12, 13, doesn't really matter. But typically they will just do everything in increments of 5. So here these are, again, are a part of this group here, and you could reference this ML key rest for batch, and it would pull all this data, or you could again reference each one of these independently. And then over here to the right again, the pick clause. So here a 9 is a numeric, and so this is a numeric with 5 characters, so it's going to be 5 numbers. And then a comp3. A comp3 is just basically a way of compressing the data. And so what happens is it will store the data in bytes, so you won't actually be able to view the data. It's non-readable, but the program knows how to interpret that. And it really it's packing the data is what it's called. And I'll show you that here, another example of what it looks like when it's packed. And so here's the pick 9-3, so that, again, that's 3 characters or 3 numerics, and then a comp3. So you see here, if you just follow this all the way down, this is a very simple copybook. It's just most O5s, 10s, and 15s, and so very simple. And then just down here at the bottom, this is again just the rest of it. So very simple copybook.